Yes, it's finally mine. No, you can't do this. You can't do it. It's not right. Oh no. Yes, you can't do this. Oh no. We promised them. We promised them. We would never let this thing get taken again. You really think that I care about your jobs? You think I care about what you did to protect it? Do you think I even care of the events that happened a couple months ago? You really think I do? Well, you should. Innocent people lost their lives. Yeah, what he said. You still don't understand, do you? Most people don't. Well, I'll give you some advice. Don't care about other people. They'll just stab you in the back, no matter if they created you or not. It is time for Blizzard World to happen, but I need this, because this is a major part of the plan. There's nothing you can do to stop me now. Ha! And you're the stupid one in this situation. Good always wins over evil, no matter what situation. Well, you better get more on top of things, because I'm out of here with the element. Oh no, where'd he go? We can't let him leave. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do, but I promise you, we will find a way to stop him, no matter what the cost may be. Since it's morning, I might as well watch my favorite show, Entered in Ron Ron.
Alright, everybody. Thank you for making it to the Sidekick Club. I hope everybody brought their favorite sidekick. And, so my name is Funtime Freddy. This is my best friend, Bon Bon. And today, I am going to be your, teacher here today.
Ha ha ha, Entered in Ron Ron's so funny. Oh, let me check the time. Oh god, I'm late for school. I need to get there. Mew. I need to get to school. Okay, finally at school. Let me go sit down. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm late, everyone. I'm sorry. I was watching the Entered in Ron Ron show. Ha 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 ha. You're so lucky that the teacher's not here. Ugh. You know what? I'm kind of so lucky the teacher's not here because I hate school. Well, he's kind of right. I mean, if he would have came when the teacher was here, he probably would have been in big trouble. But the teacher's not here, so everything's fine. I'm just going to sit here, wait for them to come. Probably the best plan I heard all day. Whoa. All right, class, this is your teacher for this year. My name is Angry Bird, and I will put my name on the board, but I'm just too lazy today. But I hope you all have a great year, because I all hate you, and I hope you all have a great year. But I am the teacher, Angry Bird, and I'm leaving now, because I don't want to be here. That obviously means go home. God. Oh, well, I guess I'll go home. Yes, I will go home. Me too. Yay, school's out. Yay, now no more school till tomorrow. Oh, God. You know, I think this is going to be a great year of school.